Hi everybody, welcome to our beautiful 1-bedroom, 1-bath, phase 1 renovated apartment. You do see you have the OVT hardwood flooring. You're gonna get carpet in your living room with a nice wood burning fireplace. Beautiful big open window right here, great for sunlight. You can also see the nice amazing view of our pool park area. Behind this wall, the fireplace, you're gonna get the dining room. You're gonna have a nice adjustable light in the middle, very good for dining room table, office area, whatever you wanna make it. And then you got the beautiful crown molding through here. This is our balcony, which again, this is gonna have an amazing view of our pool park area. As you can see right here, great place to wind down, chill, relax. Good after a long day at work or school. And then you're gonna get a 3x5 storage unit right here. Through here, again, the dining room, you're gonna see the granite slab workstation right there. Great for homework. If you take home your work, this is definitely the spot to do it. You do have the beautiful gourmet kitchen again in here. Nice island, granite throughout, stainless steel appliances, 42-inch cabinets, lots of space, lots of drawers. And then you have the farm style kitchen sink, garbage disposal, of course. This is the valet trash that we do provide to you guys. Valet trash is 5 days a week here. You do have the laundry room through here. This particular apartment does come equipped with the washer and dryer hookups versus the washer and dryer included. So you can bring your own, buy one, however you want to do that. Then we're going to walk through the hallway. To the right, you're going to have the spacious bedroom. You see that big window again, great for natural sunlight. You will have carpet in your bedroom. And then the vaulted ceilings, they're all 9 foot throughout this apartment. And then the walk-in closet. This is a great place to hang all your clothes, all your shoes. Super spacious. And then directly across is gonna be the bathroom. So the bathroom is across. So instead of having your guests go into your bedroom to access your bathroom, they're gonna be right here. Garden-sized tub. Beautiful vanity, nice lights, cabinet space below.